Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm in the botanic garden of Marburg in Germany. And this shrub, which is supposed to have edible nuts, is Staphylea bumalda. I even forgot what Staphylea is called in English. Well, the nuts are inside those bladder-like structures, but I seem to be out of luck. I don't know if it's lack of pollinators or if it's the bad weather here. We had a lot of drought, but this Staphylea bumalda it does actually have some nuts, but they are really tiny even for a Staphylea. They are basically the size of lentils. The German Staphylea pinnata has considerably larger nuts. Well, let's try and crack them. Oh yeah, there is actually something inside, so at least we know that they are pollinated. Okay, now since I have only one hand, I'll try to separate the shell from the white flesh of the nut inside. What a mess. My mouth is full of little pieces of hard shell. The nut is really small, but as far as I can tell, it tastes just like the German Staphylea pinnata. It's just a lot smaller. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but maybe you can see everything is kind of stunned here. Firstly, because the soil here is incredibly bad, and then because the last 2 summers were incredibly hot. Well, let's try some other Staphylea. Here we have the German species Staphylea pinnata. And all the here we have some fruit which are quite low. Let's try this one. Yeah, the nut is considerably larger. Here it is. This is not the size of a lentil, but the size of a pea. Okay, I broke the edible nut in half, but since it's bigger than Staphylea japonica, this one tastes a bit strange, a bit astringent. Actually, Staphylea japonica tasted a lot more than the Staphylea pinnata I know, than the Staphylea pinnata I found here. Let's see. Here we have another Staphylea. No, this is also Staphylea pinnata. Which species is this? Staphylea pinnata. And last but not least, Staphylea bumalda. So they just have 2 species here. Well, at least I can try a second nut from a different Staphylea pinnata shrub. Maybe it's gonna taste different. Oh, this one has 2, and I already lost one. Well, it's usually quite easy to take them out of this papery shell, but not with one hand. But I never ever managed to break the skin, to break the hard shell, without breaking the seed inside too. I broke the seed again. And yeah, it tastes like the last one. Strange. the Staphylea pinnata I had in Heidelberg. Tastes more like the Staphylea bumalda here than like the Staphylea pinnata here. Well, okay folks, so this was a comparison between two Staphylea species. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos and also some nut videos from the beautiful botanic garden of Marburg. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.